ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 77, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 11. ಐಕ್ಷ್ವಾಕೋ ಅಹಂ ವಿರಕ್ತೋ ಅಸ್ಮಿ ಅಖಿಲ ನೃಪಸುಖೇ ತ್ವತ್ಪ್ರಸಾದೈಕಕಾಂಕ್ಷೀ ಹಾ ದೇವೇತಿ ಸ್ತುವಂತಂ ವರವಿತತಿಷು ತಂ ನಿಸ್ಪೃಹಂ ವೀಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಹೃಷ್ಯನ್. ಮುಕ್ತೇಸ್ತುಲ್ಯಾಂ ಚ ಭಕ್ತಿಂ ಧೃತಸಕಲಮಲಾಂ ಮೋಕ್ಷಮಪ್ಯಾಶು ದತ್ವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ ಹಿಂಸಾ ವಿಶುದ್ಧೈ ತಪ ಇತಿ ಚ ತದಾ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥ ಲೋಕಪ್ರತೀತ್ಯೈ. Word by word meaning. Ha Deva, O Lord. Aham Aikshvakaha, I belong to the Ikshvaku dynasty. Akhila Nrupasuke, towards all royal pleasures. Viraktaha, I have dispassion. Tvat prasadaika kankshi, desirous of thy grace alone. Asmi, I am. Iti, thus. Stuvantam tam, him who was praising thee. Vara vitatishu, for all boons. Vitati, multitude. Nispruham, without desire. Vikshya, seeing. Hrishyan, being very happy. Muktehe tulyam, which is equal to liberation. Duta sakala malam, which washes off all sins. Bhaktim cha, devotion. Moksham api, and liberation also. Ashu, quickly. Datva, giving. Himsa vishuddhyai, to become purified of the sin of having inflicted pain. Tapaha karyam, penance should be performed. Iti cha, thus also. Loka pratityai, for the instruction of the world. Tada, then. Pratha, thou didst say. Full meaning. Seeing Muchukunda, who was praising thee, saying, O Lord, I belong to the Ikshvaku dynasty. I am tired of all royal pleasures and am desirous of thy grace alone. And being very happy to find that he had no desire for any boons at all, thou didst confer on him devotion, which is equal to liberation and which cleanses one of all sins, and also liberation itself soon at the end of his life. Thou didst then ask him to perform penance in order to become purified of the sin of having inflicted pain in the course of his duties as king, thereby setting an example for the whole world to follow. Note, the idea is that devotion should be combined with the practice of austerities. Om Tat Sat.